So I'm on page 71 and I'm doing the puzzle cube. Okay. So on Wednesday, we took our cubes and we took out these cutouts and we did the front view, the right view, and the top view, right? And then so the top view is here and we colored it the same as this one. So, right, so 3 blues on top, a blue there, green on the bottom, 2 green right there. So this matches exactly. And then the right view was this one, right? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, wait. Oh, wait, hold on. This one's the right view. Huh, you see, it didn't match. So green, then the white, red, and black, so they match. And then the front view, which is this one, matches just like this. Blues, the whites, the red, and the blacks, right? So just like this, and this one matches this. So we colored it based on top, front, right view, correct? All right. So now you're going to take these and you're going to place it here. And you're going to tape it down or glue it down. Remember, I gave you a glue stick. I don't know where mine is at the moment. So I'm going to tape it down in the order that you're supposed to draw it in, right? So top goes on top. Let's see, am I holding it right? Front. Yeah, like this. So this is my front. This is my top. My front goes here. And my right, make sure you rotate it the correct way, goes here. Okay, so we colored these on Wednesday. If you haven't colored them, color them now. So, and then you just tape them down, top, front, and right. Okay. Now comes the isometric one, which usually goes right here. So you're going to take your 3 that you've cut out. Okay. Now, when you lay these on top of each other, like so, just like this, it creates like a 3D cube. It represents your 3D cube, just like the one we have there, right? So we're going to literally lay it like this and tape it down later and have it form like this, okay? If it's hard to understand, there is a Google slide that I shared with you in the design solution. You can go through it and it shows you exactly what we're doing right now, maybe a lot cleaner and nicer. So maybe it's easier to see the picture and understand what I'm going to ask you to do. Okay, a little tricky. I'm not going to lie. This is a little tricky. So I'm going to start with my top one. So I am literally going to take this, and this is right here is my front, this is my right, and this is my top. So I'm going to color these squares just like this top view. Okay, so I'm going to take my blue and green. So I have 1, 2, 3, and it's isometric, so it's angled just like this, isometric. So I'm going to color these 3 blue. So these 3 are blue. Okay, and then this one's blue as well, so I'm going to color that blue. Okay, and then these are green, so I'm going to take my green highlighter, color these green. Okay, so this represents my top view. So this matches this, okay? That I think is the easiest one because it's the top view. Now, you can do the middle or the bottom one. Oh no, where are my papers? I just had them. Oh, here they are. Okay. Let me do the bottom one. So the bottom, I'm going to color this just how it is right here. Here. but in isometric. So that means this corner is black. Notice how this corner is black, right? That's your isometric right there. This is black one. So I know this one's going to be black. So I'm going to take my black marker, and this corner right here is this one. I'm doing the bottom right now. I'm doing the bottom. So color that black. And if I hold it, this one's also black. Okay. So black, black. And then the center one is also black. So this center one is black. And then the rest are red. So I know that it's going to be an easy one to do. So I'm going to take my red and I'm going to color everything else red. Like so. This is my bottom. This one was my top, my bottom. So now I got to do the middle one. So my middle one, kind of different. This one's white. You see how these two are white? So I'm just going to label it with my pencil. White. Then if I rotate, this one's also white. This one's white. And if I rotate it this other way, this one is white. This one. And then this one's blue. I know it's kind of hard to tell. So I'm going to write a B for blue. Then if I rotate it on the back side, it's black in the middle. And then blue. And then on this side, I have blue, black again, and white. Well, that one's already white. Now the tricky part is, can you kind of like open it to see what's the very middle cube? Dead center. And for me, it's black. Okay, now that I labeled everything, I'm just going to focus on coloring. So BL for me was black. So this one's black, black, black. And then blue. Grab my blue highlighter. Blue. Blue. And that's it. The rest are white. So what I just did right now was the middle center one. So white here, so that's all my white. And then here was blue, black, blue, keep rotating it, blue, black, and white. So now we're going to tape all of this together. Remember your order, and then remember the angle. So this is my bottom one. I'm going to tape it down in this little section right here. Little tape at the very top. And then I'm going to take my middle, and it goes right in, like it lays on top of it, and a little tape on the corner as well. And then your last one goes on the top, angled correctly, just like so, just like that. And the beauty of this one is that you can see each layer. You see, you just tape it on the top corner and you can still see it. Okay, my fifth period, I didn't have all the colors. So this is my fifth period. The layers here. I didn't finish coloring this because I didn't have purple or yellow. If you don't have a color particular, label it and then maybe make a key like, okay, Miss O'Malley, the red is actually, stand for orange, or I don't have purple, so I'm going to use sky blue. So just make me a key. Like if the colors don't match, that's fine. So I'm not going to have you submit it yet, but what I want to do is this is where you should be at. This is where you should be at. The very last thing we're going to do on Tuesday with this is to take each piece and draw it isometric form on isometric paper. So the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to draw this in isometric. So that's the last thing we're going to do on